Hi there, students. Imminent, an adjective. I guess you could have the adverb imminently, I don't think it's common, and the noun imminence. Okay, if something is imminent, it's going to happen very soon, or it's likely to happen very soon. So the train is imminent. It's coming any moment now. There is an imminent disaster waiting to happen with global warming. Maybe a strike is imminent, it's impending, it's going to happen. There is imminent danger of losing your job, so be ready. Parliamentary elections are imminent. An enemy attack is imminent. It's about to happen. Yeah, it will happen imminently. Okay, we use this particularly for something bad that's likely to happen soon. The grey rain clouds tell me that a rainstorm is imminent. It's about to happen. It's about to come. There is an imminent danger of us running out of money, so we ought to be very careful about it. Okay, notice imminent, I-M-M-I-N-E-N-T. Do not confuse this with imminent with an A. If you say them, both words sound the same. Imminent means innate, inborn. He has an imminent musical ability. Okay, it's something that exists inside him. It's naturally part of him. Okay, some people say that belief in God is an imminent characteristic of man with an A. Also, don't confuse this word with eminent. Yeah, eminent means important, leading, somebody respected. Yeah, somebody respected by the group. So an eminent scientist. He is an eminent doctor. Okay, but here we're looking at imminent. Okay, imminent. But just notice those two other words that are very close to it. So if something is imminent, it's about to happen. Yeah, it's about to take place soon. Particularly something that doesn't last very long. Okay. There is exams are imminent, so he's studying like crazy. The imminence of the exams means that he's studying very hard. The train will arrive imminently. Yeah, it will arrive very soon. It will happen in the very near future. Okay, so something that's imminent is something that's about to happen. They say that many people suddenly believe in God when death is imminent. Yeah, enemy attack is imminent. It's near. It's approaching. It's threatening. It's on the way. It's forthcoming. It's looming. Yeah, it's upcoming. It's on the cards. Okay, so yeah, rain is imminent. Or the weather forecast says that a period of good weather is imminent. You could use it positively there, but it's more usual in the negative. Okay, so imminent. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Imminent.